In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make money as a TikTok Shop affiliate, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover what TikTok Shop is, how the TikTok Shop affiliate program works, how to find winning products, and how to create videos that actually get views and sales. By the end, you'll know the exact step-by-step process to get started as a TikTok Shop affiliate. So let's get right into it. So in case you're brand new, TikTok Shop is a feature on TikTok that allows users to purchase products directly on the TikTok platform. It's basically a seamless shopping process. You see a product you like on TikTok, and you can buy it and check out directly on the platform in just a few clicks. And then the TikTok Shop affiliate program allows you to become an affiliate to promote any products that's being sold on TikTok Shop. And you as a TikTok Shop affiliate will get paid each time someone makes a purchase from your video. So let me show you an example. So when you're scrolling on TikTok and you see a video that has a product link to it on the bottom, for example like this one, when you click on it, it'll take you to the product page. So what happens is if someone ends up purchasing this, then the creator of this video will get credit for the sale and will receive a commission. You won't need to ship the product and you won't need to deal with any customer service. Your only job is to create the TikTok video and then link the product to your video, and whenever someone purchases, you'll get credit for it. Just so you're not confused with this method, it's good to know the different ways you can actually make money on TikTok. There are basically three main ways. The first way is with the creativity program. For this method, you basically get paid based on the views you get on your videos. And the requirement to qualify for this program is to have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 monthly views. And then the second way to make money on TikTok is to sell on the TikTok Shop. So you're basically creating and listing your own products to sell on TikTok Shop as a seller. So you would be responsible for fulfilling the orders and providing the customer service to your customers. And then the third way, which is the method that we are focusing on this tutorial, is to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. And with this method, you simply show off the products in your videos, and if people buy, you make money. It's that simple. And there are two main skills that are needed as a TikTok Shop affiliate. The first skill is to be able to find winning products consistently. And then the second skill is to create viral content on those products. And if you could do both consistently, you will succeed with this method. And in the rest of this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to do both. So first, let's talk about winning products. So this is the criteria that I would follow to narrow down the product to see if it could be a winner. So first and foremost is the product solves a specific problem, because people are most likely to buy the product when it solves an actually pain point for them. Second is that it has a wow factor. So this could be something that is visually appealing and can go viral on TikTok. Next one is that it has mass appeal, because the higher the mass appeal, the higher the viral potential. And then the last one is that it could be an impulse purchase. The best selling price range is anywhere from $10 to $50, although there could be exceptions, but basically the lower pricing could potentially trigger more impulse buys. And then these are the products that you would want to avoid. You want to avoid products that don't solve a clear problem. You want to avoid products with low reviews, and also products that are difficult for you to create content on. Because on TikTok, you would need to create the content in order to sell effectively. If you're not able to create good content on the product, it's going to be really hard for you to generate sales. Now that we know what makes a winning product, next we are going to talk about how to actually find them. There are two main ways. The first one is to just scroll through TikTok and see what is popular. This can still work, but you will likely waste a lot of time because it's pretty much based on your guesses. And the easier way is to use a research tool where you can use filters and see exactly what's selling or trending. And the tool that many of the TikTok Shop affiliates use is called Kalodata, and this is a website. It is basically a data analysis platform specifically built for TikTok Shop. And if you need access, I've listed a direct link in the description below where you can sign up for a free trial. And once you're logged in, this is the dashboard you'll see. And to easily find winning products, you can just come into the product tab and you can narrow down by your category that you sell in. So for this example, let me go with beauty and personal care. You can set the revenue filter. So let's say we are looking at products that have sold at least $10,000. And we can also choose the revenue growth rate. Let's go with at least 30%. Average unit price, let's go with 20 to 100. And let's go with that and hit submit. And then you'll see the search results here. You can see the exact products, the revenue that it generated, the revenue trend, the growth rate, the number of items sold, the average unit price, the commission rate, as well as the highest revenue videos. So everything is super clear, and this is how you can find winning products a lot easier. And let's scroll down here and let's look at this one, which is a portable knee massager. We can click on this and then it'll take us directly to the product detail page. So in here you can see the ratings, you can see the price points, you can see the commission rate and the seller information here. And then you can see the revenue that it has generated in the last 30 days. You can look at 90 days and to see like an overall trend. So as you can see here, this product is apparently trending up. And when you scroll down, you can see the exact creators who are getting results from this product, and also the exact videos that are getting views and also getting sales. So for example, this video has generated 4.63 million views and generated $58,000 in sales. So let's take a look.
Oh my God, this feels so good. I have to be quiet. This is actually a Father's Day present that I got for my husband because he has bad knees. Yo, feels so freaking good. It's a knee massager. It's freaking knee massager with heat. Feels so good. I got it off TikTok shop and it came in like 3 or 4 days. It came super, super fast. I got it for my husband for Father's Day. And it literally massages this side and this side of your knee, and it has freaking different heat settings. It's only going to be one of the best gifts he's ever gotten from me, and I'm so freaking excited. Now I don't have to hear him complain about his knees hurting anymore.
So with this tool, you can see exactly what's working. And what you can do is also export the script. So let's say if you want to export this script, you can just click here, transcript export, and then it's going to export the script for you. You can also use the script optimizer here. And this basically breaks down the whole entire video script and explains to you why it works so well. So this is how this tool Kalodata makes finding winning products and also coming up with your own content ideas really, really easy. So a common question I get is how to get the products. So in the beginning, if you're just starting out as a TikTok shop affiliate, you would need to purchase the products so that you can have the product in hand so you can create the content. After you have social proof and can show that you can generate sales, then many brands and sellers will be willing to provide you with the free product samples. And if you're purchasing the products, I think it's also best to purchase from the TikTok shop because then you can go through the actual experience of shopping on the platform, and it's a very easy and seamless experience. So next, we're going to talk about how to create TikTok shop affiliate videos that get you views and get you sales. So there are a 3-part structure of most winning TikTok shop videos. Your video basically needs 3 parts. First is the hook, and then there's the body, and then there's the call to action. So for the hook, the purpose is to capture people's attention and keep them watching. So having a good hook in your video is extremely important. And then we have the body, and then the purpose of the body is to review and talk about the product's benefits. This is where you can give your honest opinions about the product, talk about the features and benefits. And the last part is the call to action. This is where you can encourage people to take action to buy right away. It's best if you could evoke scarcity or urgency for them. An example of that would be, I'm going to link the product down below, but they're selling out fast, so be quick if you want one. So that's just one example of an effective call to action. So next we are going to talk about the 4 different video styles that work extremely well on TikTok Shop. So the first one is the problem and solution. You basically use the problem as the hook and then present the product as the solution. And this is an example.
You know it's wintertime and your little tire light's going to come on because your pressure's dropping in your tires. You're not going to want to go spend that $2 or $3 or swipe your card at the little tire machine that hardly works any damn way. You're smart and you go buy one of these little things. You're not going to want to drag that little bitty cord all over the place as you try to air up each tire on your vehicle. Just get one of these tire pressure machines that doesn't come with a cord. You charge it, just set the tire pressure, lock it down, and press go. It's going to automatically air your tire up to the pressure you set it at. Another cool feature of this tire pressure box, can you hold is you can put this little cord on here, and it also works as a jump box where to jump your vehicle off, your truck, your car. See right there, it's ready to go. Tire brush machines are on a really good deal right now, and they've been selling out. And it takes them a few weeks to come back in stock. I would go ahead and get mine now.
And then the second type of video is the product demo videos. So for this, you basically just visually show how the product works, and then you can talk about the benefits and features. And this is the example.
Click that. These are waterproof, windproof, thermal heated, and double insulated. These are seriously the only gloves I will use when working outside in the winter. They've got a really soft, cozy inside and a bunch of different sizes to fit your hand perfectly. And it's even got touchscreen tips so you can still use it with your phone. There's also grips all over this, so nothing's just gonna slide out of your hand. If you want to get some of these, they're actually on sale right now on the TikTok shop, so as long as you can still see a little orange shopping cart link right here in the video, that means there's still a few left in stock, so go get it before they sell out.
The next one is the text on screen videos. These are typically the simplest to make. You want to make it relatable and you want to showcase the product. And this is the example. So it was basically just a video of the person using the product as the background video, and then just having like an overlay of text. So simple videos like these could work really well on TikTok Shop. And then the last one, we have comment replies. These are very simple to make as well. You basically just answer people's questions or comments. And this is an example.
Run, don't walk because Comfort just restocked their viral leopard hoodie in the color Panther, but they only restocked it in limited sizes and sizes are selling out fast. You guys, this has been sold out for months and you guys have been begging for a restock. If you see your size in the color that you want, run because this is going to go fast. They also included this in their huge 50% off sale that they're having right now. So you can actually get 2 hoodies for the price of 1. Also grab the matching sweatpants because those are on sale too, and the matching shorts. Like, how freaking cute is this? Keep in mind, these hoodies are double oversized. For size of reference, I'm 5'1". I grabbed a size medium for a more oversized fit, but if you need any help with sizing, just let me know in the comments and I can help you out.
So those are the 4 different video styles that work really well on TikTok Shop. So next we're going to talk about how to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. So here are the requirements. First, you must be at least 18 years old. You must be located in an eligible country that has TikTok Shop. You must not be a government, politician, or political party account. You must follow all TikTok Shop policies. That includes the content, community, and conduct guidelines. You must have no prior record of e-commerce permissions being revoked. And you need to have at least 5,000 followers to get full access. There is an option to qualify for the pilot program though, with limited access with only 1,000 followers. And once you meet those requirements, and when you come into your TikTok, you can go to the shop tab, and then you can click on earn. And once you click on that, and then you'll be taken to this screen where you can accept invite and submit your application. And then that's how you become a TikTok Shop affiliate. So there you have it. That's everything you need to know to get started as a TikTok Shop affiliate. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.